Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a protective style. If that's something that you are interested in, please keep on watching. Let's get started. We are going to do a ponytail with this hair for the whole week. That's going to last for the whole week. Going to start with unbraiding my hair. My hair is freshly washed. I washed it yesterday and it has leave-in conditioner on it and as well as curl cream. Here's what I'm gonna use for this style today. I have those scrunchies here that we're gonna use. I got those from the dollar store. It has 12 on them and it was for $1.25. It's really good because it doesn't have the rubber band, like the rub in the middle, so it doesn't whip your hair out. We are going to use Eco Style gel. This gel works well for me. Hair clip here that I'm gonna use. I have these like bobby pin that I'm gonna use and the scarf to get the hair laid down, and we got my water and as well as my wipe. So the style that I'm gonna do, we're gonna do a little part here and then we're gonna do it this way. Gel. Oh, I don't know if I show you guys, but we're also gonna use this brush here. Now that's this done, we are going to decide. If you don't know how to braid or you're not comfortable, you can twist. It'll still look cute. Now let's start with this side. I am going to do the back first, so I'm gonna part it. It's good to work in section. Not only you don't get overwhelmed, but it's like easier. So this is not gonna be a low bun, it's gonna be like more higher. So we're gonna make sure the hair back here is up like this. You notice how I don't do it tight, it's very loose because I don't want tensions in the back of my hair. I'm gonna put another one right here just to get the hair out of the way. We work on section to make it easier for us. Okay. I'm gonna spray it with water a little bit. Adding the gel. Again, not tight. Last section. Some water.
Speed to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running. Never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Just gonna give it a little brush. Okay, so I'm gonna let it tight like this for the next. In my case, I'm gonna give it 30 minutes because I have 30 minutes before I leave the house. But you 10 to 15 minutes, even 5 minutes will do. Gonna lay it down and I'll come back to show you what it looks like. Okay, as you see, we're still here.
Never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the
Alright.
fire.
This is it.
We rise like tall
Alright.
buildings as the chemicals they take us high.
Okay. Thank you for watching. Let me know what protective style that you are wearing this week. I hope you all have a fantastic week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.